fucking done.
Oh, you can't even see them. Anyway, whenever you get electronics, gizmos or whatever, they give you this stuff, but that is gold, all right? We never throw that away because, see right here, these transponders, they don't, bad, you bad transponders, bad. This is a micro USB cable that comes out from where the PicknFlick was installed. And then the, wires that go back there. So anyway, this one's empty, alright? Alright, so, yeah. That's the only one I got hooked up. Goes to the iPod. So that's how it looks. This is, finger tight, but you can get some slack on it. You can get some slack. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Look at that guy. Alright, so what I did is these are the two outlets that I took from the back that I never used, and I spliced them in right there. I don't know if you can see that. Can we see it? Can we see it? There it is. That little white and black wire way there, down in there. Yeah, that goes into the underneath the stereo, and that's my. Look at those stubby digits. Anyway, it comes in over here, right? And that's what those do. So those are some rocks. I keep rocks back there. Great for the MPG.